In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email address in Discord. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Discord application and then just click on your profile in the bottom right hand side of the screen. From here, click on the settings icon in the top right and then select account from the drop down. Underneath account information, click on email. And as you can see, you'll get this window pop up saying verify email, and we'll now need to send a verification code to our email address. So just click on the send verification code button, and that's going to go ahead and send a code to your registered email address. So now all you need to do is head over to the email account that you have registered, and you should receive this 6-digit verification code. So I'm just going to copy all of this code like so. Then we can head back over to the Discord application and just paste in the code that we just got from the email. If you don't receive a code, you can click on didn't receive a code or expired, and it will just go and send you a new code. So once you've entered this, click on next, and then you can just go through the steps on the screen to verify or change your email. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you verify your email address in Discord. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.